They don't age like us, they malfunction. A slurred speech here, a frozen stare on live TV, a laugh that loops just 1 second too long. We're told it's stress, drugs, exhaustion, but it looks more like software corruption. You're not watching a breakdown, you're watching a reset. Clones, replacements, biosuits, they've been seeding this in sci-fi for decades. And now it's hiding in plain sight. Celebrities who die and return with new eyes, new bone structure, new energy. Politicians who look the same but something in the soul is gone. They'll tell you it's just aging, but bodies don't glitch with age. They don't forget how to be human. So what are we looking at? Advanced cloning, Anunnaki tech, genetic overlords in skin suits, entities wearing meat like clothes, upgraded vessels for old gods, new flesh for ancient power. It sounds insane, but so does everything until it's not. But when you realize how far black budget science has gone, when you see the billion-dollar silence around real bioengineering, it's not a leap. It's a whisper from something cold, pretending to be you, pretending to be them. Not all of them, of course, but enough to run the show. So watch for the tells. Blank expressions, robotic cadence, the eyes, always the eyes. Because the soul can't be cloned, but it can be hidden, replaced, and simulated. And while we're busy worshipping the screens, well, some, they're walking among us in flawless skin suits, running out of time and running out of upgrades. Eventually, every disguise decays, and when the seams split, the truth bleeds through. Humanfluence, out.